And I put that sucker
I think it's running. Go ahead.
mile really fast, and I got put it on incline, I was doing all that stuff, and I didn't realize what I was doing.
It's going to pick up that talking of him. That was really cool.